Hey guys, we are pulled right off the road to do a really quick video while we're tooling around here.
We drove past this place and I said, "What's this?"
Yeah, and then there it is.
He says, "It's an iron furnace."
And it's an iron furnace. I could tell from the distance. So this
For
is
reals, it is.
the iron furnace, and it was established in 1837. Look at this. Now it does say, let's swing around. It does say private property over there, so I don't want to.
This will be as close as we're getting.
Probably.
There's
yeah.
another nice abandoned structure.
But yeah, look at that. We are in Clinton County. We're just northwest of Lock Haven, but it's amazing to see an iron furnace in just this, like,
someone's backyard.
yeah, and then but also kept in a great condition as well. So
That's awesome.
really cool. It's going to be a really super short video, but what a fun surprise!
surprise!
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. So anyway, this is Paul
And Ryan,
the outdoors couple. Cheers.
get outdoors.
You find stuff like
Look
this.
what you can find.
Boom.